Find or read reviews that people are talking about HP DeskJet 2827e wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The DeskJet 2827e is perfect for home's printing to-do lists, letters, financial documents and recipes. Print speeds up to 5.5 ppm color, 7.5 ppm, black. Key features: color printing, copy, scan, and a 60-sheet input tray. Wireless printing: stay connected with our most reliable Wi-Fi, which automatically detects and resolves connection issues. HP app to print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone with the easiest-to-use print app. 3 months of ink included when you activate HP Plus. Subscribe to Instant Ink Delivery service to get ink delivered directly to your door before you run out. After 3 months, monthly fee applies unless cancelled. Compact design, made to fit any home. Icon LCD, print your basic documents with ease from the intuitive control panel. Sustainable design, made with at least 60% recycled plastic. Meets industry efficiency standards and is Energy Star and EPEAT certified. This printer is intended to work only with cartridges with HP chips or circuitry and will block cartridges using non-HP chips or circuitry. Periodic firmware updates will maintain the effectiveness of these measures. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.